Ladies and gentlemen, update video coming to you right here, right now. We have the only GT HAUS Meisterschaft exhaust, full system from the BMW F10 and 5. Pinnacle of engineering, box 1 of 2. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Look how beautiful it is. As you already know, I have the axle back system on the car, but it wasn't a car accident, so it was damaged. So we got the new system to replace it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So as you can see, we have a lot of things to unbubble wrap, all right? We have the 2 pipes that come from the downpipes, the rear mufflers, the midsection, which is a X pipe, the back section, exhaust tips, everything we need to have. Let's go ahead and unpackage this baby. Honestly, ladies and gentlemen, it pains me to have to put this beautiful system underneath a car where it's never going to be seen and appreciated by others. Just they're going to hear the sound of it and they're going to be like, wow, there it is. We have our signature exhaust pipes with the slit in the middle. We got a couple extra stickers, license plate, the mufflers themselves with the valve system just like before. Amazing. I want to give a shout out to Meisterschaft and GT HAUS, to the person that packaged all this with all this bubble wrap. You deserve a raise, sir, because this thing, whether it's going to be shipped to China or Africa or New Zealand or Australia, is going to come in one piece because it is packaged so well. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this shiny masterpiece here. Next, we will get it installed on the car when it gets a little bit warmer, and we're going to hear that glorious Meisterschaft system again.